Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model S Plaid vs Corvette Z06 full comparison. Stay focused and listen closely as I walk through powertrain differences, cabin tech, and real-world drivability. I will highlight acceleration, handling, charging or fueling, and ownership costs so you can weigh trade-offs. I keep the tone friendly and practical, aiming to give you useful takeaways for buying, leasing, or weekend track use. Let me explain the key performance differences between these two cars in an easy way. The electric Plaid brings instant torque and rapid launches, while the Z06 uses refined V8 power and mechanical grip for corners. We compare lap times, braking consistency, and tire choices, and I describe how each setup affects daily driving and track use. By the end, you will understand which performance package suits your style and priorities. In this video, I will compare Tesla Model S Plaid vs Corvette Z06 full comparison. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy reading about cars or manuals, on the go try the new Kindle Paperwhite. It pairs nicely with road trips and waiting at service appointments. Check the description for the link and other deals, and please subscribe and like if this is helpful to you. Now let's get back to the video. Now I will explain cabin features and how tech changes the ownership experience. Tesla emphasizes frequent over-the-air updates, a giant central display, and semi-autonomous aids, while the Corvette focuses on physical controls and driver connection. We discuss seating comfort, infotainment responsiveness, and practical cargo and storage solutions. I also touch on maintenance differences, so you know what to expect beyond initial purchase and warranty coverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.